Hi, Jake with Diode. Today in the studio we've got a 2018 Subaru Forester XT. We're going to be replacing the stock halogen fog light bulbs with our new United States designed, tested, and manufactured SLF LED bulbs. Installation is plug and play and should only take 10 to 15 minutes. Let's get started. To gain access to your factory fog light, you're going to remove 5 small plastic rivets from the fender liner and the mudguard down below. The 2 in the fender liner are located just in front of the front wheel. The first being right at the bumper seam, right here, and the second being about 10 inches to the right. The 3 in the mudguard are located down and below. With the rivets removed, you can now gain access to the factory fog light. You'll then be able to reach in, twist the stock bulb counterclockwise, and pull it out. Once the bulb's out of the socket, you'll then disconnect it from the factory harness and remove it. You'll then take your SLF driver and plug it into the factory fog light harness. Now, space here is a little tight, but we're going to get you the best camera angle we can. You can then insert your new SLF bulb into the factory housing. Once it's in the housing, you'll then turn the bulb clockwise to secure it. With your new bulb in place, you can then go ahead and test it to ensure proper function. Once that's complete, you can seal your fender back up using the 5 rivets from earlier, and then follow all the same steps on the other side to finalize your installation. With installation complete, you can now enjoy increased visibility at night and a modern LED appearance. These bulbs are available in the cool white color shown here today, or in a popular yellow color as well. They're available on our website at diodedynamics.com, or you can use the dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.